Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. We often get asked what is the best way to deal with recurring items on your shopping list. So the way that the Plan to Eat shopping list works is that if you're creating a shopping list based on your meal plan, it's going to populate every item from the recipes in your meal plan. And we do this because we don't want you to forget anything when you go to the grocery store. So while we don't have an option that is automated to remove common items like salt, black pepper, and water from your shopping list, we do have a way for you to remove these from your normal shopping list so they're not cluttering up your list every week. We recommend creating a new store in your shopping list called something like on-hand items. This would allow you to then move items like salt, pepper, and water into this store. And because the shopping list remembers your preferences, those items will then be populated in that new store anytime you create a new shopping list and they appear in your recipes. If you have more questions about how to add new stores to your shopping list, we have help articles linked below. And if you need anything else, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.